Hello, you guys. It's Becky. Hello. All right. So we're gonna go right in with yes. So this is Yes I Am by Cacharel. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the name right. I'm sorry if I'm not. But basically, I'm not sure if you guys have seen this little bad boy right here. Or we can call it bad girl. Okay, so this is a full-size perfume that we're actually reviewing today, and it came in a package like this by Influenster. Thanks, Influencer. Okay, so this was actually a contest that I won, so I got this for free, strictly for reviewing purposes, and this is what this video is about. All right, so when I first got her in the mail, I was so excited. When I seen her, I was like, oh my god, yes! Like, okay, I don't know, I was just so excited. And it comes with like in a little packaging like this with the little yeah, so it says Yes I Am Cacharel, introducing Yes I Am, the new and innovative fragrance by Cacharel. With its lipstick-inspired bottle design, Yes I Am is the new signature fragrance for the bold, independent woman. Yeah, girl. This spicy, cremoso fragrance is an explosion of femininity with its notes of sparkling raspberry, addictive amber, and white flower. Powerful, smart, and sexy, Yes I Am embodies the modern woman. Yes, 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 girl. Okay. So, yeah. They sent me like a little package like this, where it came in this little sample size, and it's so cute. It's like a lipstick. Like, okay. And let me tell you guys, it smells so good. Like, damn. Ugh, I'm just gonna put some on right now, actually. Woo! It smells so good. Oh, yes. Okay, so I've been actually wearing this to work a couple times, and I've noticed that whenever I do wear it, I get a lot more like compliments from guys. They ask for my number and all this bull crap. If I'm being honest, sometimes when I go to work, I don't even wear makeup. So those of you who know me outside of YouTube or whatever, well, actually in the video that I first made, I wasn't wearing any makeup, but this is me with makeup, y'all. Oh yeah, and I changed my hair. But basically, yeah, and I'm gonna be posting a video about how I dyed my hair this color. You can't really tell, but it's purple. It also came with like a little temporary tattoo of a kiss, and it said Yes I Am. So I was supposed to like put that on and like take a picture and post it on Instagram, and I did. So basically, this company Influenster, if you're active on their app or their website, however you log in, if you're active on that page, they basically send you samples of products to review, and then you would post them online on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, like I am today. And it's pretty cool because sometimes you do get full-size products. Now this is just a sample size. I have received other products before in the past, but it's all strictly reviewing purposes. So if you don't review the products, you won't get any free stuff. If you don't do any surveys, you don't get any free stuff. So basically, you're supposed to review the products that they send you. And I've actually gotten a whole bunch of these little boxes before. So yeah, it's called Discover, Review, Share. So you discover new products through this app as well. I've actually been able to find my hair care routines because of other people's reviews on there. And it's always an honest review. You can be as honest as you can. They'll still continue to send you whatever. Let's say if I was a person that didn't like the perfume, but which I do, I love it. They basically cater to your needs, and so on and so forth, depending on what you like, what you don't like. So yeah, you guys, this is that fragrance, and it smells really good. Yeah, like how it said on the little paper here, addictive amber. So I am gonna admit, whenever I wear this around my boyfriend, oh girl, he be all over me and whatnot. But yeah, this fragrance is really good. It's really good. All the guys out there, this is actually on sale for the holidays, so I would recommend to get it. They sell it at Macy's, I believe. And I will be posting a direct link to purchase this down below. And if you guys are interested in signing up with Influenster, I'll also be putting my referral code down below. So whenever you get your Influenster, make sure that you link all your accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. And yeah, you'll be able to get started. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it. Alright, give me a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Okay, I don't know what else to say, so yeah. Bye!